As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished and Bitcoin here give us a big red candle here and Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we used to tell you in our short videos if you remember. Now I know majority of you they came here, they want the short answer. The short answer guys, the Bitcoin may be going to come back above here, above that 100 moving average. If today daily candle close above it like that, we're going to come back above. Why? Because now we don't got no stop losses down here, majority of stop losses are above here, but at this time we need some signs, and those signs in today's video you're going to understand them what you need to look at, my friend. In the overall, the Bitcoin is still in a downtrend and maybe going to fall down to test that 200 moving average down here. By the way guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible. I know you guys, you haven't smashed that like button, so please guys support us by just smashing that small like button which is down. You done it? Thank you very much. And if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You see that one here? See member option, you need to click at it like that. It's going to open for you 3 tiers here. We got the position, the one for long term without leverage guys. If you want to join us to trade without leverage or very small leverage like X2, X3, you join the position. If you want to get all our cryptocurrency services, scalping, day trading, swing trading, and even the position, choose the VIP. And if you want everything, choose the elite. So when you read the description of each and every one, you decide which one you're going to join. Click a join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps. Then you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord, and I'm going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, here in daily Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we told you. Remember what us we told you here? We told you guys we got here the down channel like that, and maybe the Bitcoin going to fall down to test the lower of the down channel. That possible guys, because at this time us we breaking here the 100 moving average as you see it in front of you. So what that meant to you? There is one of two guys. If we come here and we zoom out like that to see what we got here, let me take it off those moving averages. You see here, you remember us we used to show you that up channel like that. You remember it guys or no? That the up channel we used to show you. There is one of two. Either from here we're going to pump again to test the top of that channel. That number one scenario. Second scenario, we're going to break here and we're going to see a huge dump guys. We got something else here guys and I want to show it to you here. Is it like that? We bring that Fibonacci retracement here and we came to the peak or the tail of that candle here to the low of the one here. What you seeing guys? That 2 here, that the golden zone guys. You see it here, that the golden zone, and the Bitcoin bounced from it exactly. Now based on Wyckoff and Elliott waves, there is a second wave now going to happen like that. So how else we're going to know exactly to where? We bring the same Fibonacci retracement from that low here to the top where we bounce again, that man here. So it's saying here the low is going to be here exactly guys. That low here exactly 100k. So did the Bitcoin from here going to fall down to 100k? Possible guys, because if we add then here those moving averages like that, look with me. You see it or no? You see where the 200 moving average is at 103k guys. So maybe going to fall down. Now what you need to do? There is a correction coming guys. You can catch it in smaller time frames. That of course if you like to trade with leverage, there's a correction going to come, and from that correction try to short that Bitcoin guys still down here. I don't tell you to enter now, no, it's too dangerous to enter now. Wait the correction, then try to join that downtrend guys. That's the only things I can tell you. So I think I explained everything. Today it's coming very important news. I'm going to show it to you. Now let me show you the trades I got open for today guys. So let's go in there to see it. Trades I got guys, I got a lot of trades today. Those ones here, all of them, they are swing trading. The Ethereum, the Doge, the Sol, the Litecoin, all those ones, they being a swing trading. And look at them now, they are more than that. Actually the Sol now is closer to 200. And today what we being doing, we're being scalping that market. Let me show you the trades of me. As you see here, We enter a short in the AVAX as scalping, guys, as you see it here. Let me show you more about it. As you see it here, that the AVAX short, how it went. And here, 20%. And if you see the order size, it used to be big and now it's getting small. That means also being taking smaller profit from it. That the only trades me I got today. And I enter a day trading in Bitcoin. So this was the trade of me. If you want, even you can join us and you're benefiting from our daily signals. If you are interested, of course, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video. And in the first comment, click at it. We show you how to join us. If you want to learn from professional people that the job of them, no bias, no fabs, no lies, is up to you, my friend. The link is down. Now let's go into see liquidity, heatmap, crypto fair and grid index. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the crypto fair and grid index. Today I want to show it to you because today it happens something very important here. As you see, guys, the fair is very high today, 43. That's when you need to look to enter along, my friend. As me I show you in the start of the video, I told you maybe the market there is a correction up because there is no stops down, and I'm going to show you that in the liquidity heatmap. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heatmap. As you see here, we got some stop losses down here and some above here. So now where is the market going to go? Over here in 24 hours, there is no clear direction. Also, we need to go from 24 hours to weekly to see the clear direction. Let me show it to you. If you see in here, guys, in the weekly, we don't got any stop down here like I used to tell you here. Now the majority of the stops are above here, guys, above 117k. So what is it, the view? My view personally, oh, now what is it, the view? My view personally, as I told you, the Bitcoin going to come back to liquidate those stop losses above here. And you're going to see that in the coming days, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Now is going to see the coming news of today. Here we are, guys, that long time I haven't shown you here the coming news. The coming news of today, as you see it here. Today there is a holiday in Japan. We got SP Global Manufacturing PMI and SP Global Service PMI. That one here, it affects a lot the US dollar, guys, so you need to be careful. Then at 4 o'clock or 4:35, we got Fed Chair Powell's speech, guys. Even that one, you need to be careful from it. That's why I told you there is a correction going to happen, guys, so you need to be careful from those things. But the only things I can tell you now is going to see USDT dominance, what they're doing today. Here we are, guys, that the USDT dominance, you remember what else we used to say here about the USDT dominance? We used to tell you from down here, it's going to pump, from here, it's going to pump, we show you everything. But you guys, you don't like to watch our videos. Not the problem here. We show you here the downtrend is getting broke here. We show you the first downtrend here is getting broke here. And we told it came back to test it again. We show you all those things. Look where we are now. Now, what is it, the view? The USDT dominance here, it touched that very stronger zone, that one we used to bounce from it a lot, from 4.50 till 4.59. So now we need to wait if the USDT dominance is going to give us here a price action indicating maybe the market going to dump. That's possible, guys. If it's not going to break even that zone here and to pump again, even that one it's possible. If we look in here at our indicator we're saying today, our indicator, guys, as you see, it touch here extreme overbought area, same like how it touched it down here. So what that indicating? It's indicating maybe USDT dominance going to dump, guys, because always when it touches here or touches here, that the bottom or that the top, guys, as you see, I can show you the past thousands of times that what happened every time. So you need to be careful, guys, how you can catch it. There is a small uptrend here. Plus today there is very, very important news is going to affect the US dollar or USDT dominance here. Now let's go into see the SP 500 what it's saying today. Here we are, guys, in the SP 500 here. It's still pumping. That's why me, I'm still hope the Bitcoin is going to pump. Look at it. The SP 500 giving us new all-time high. Yes, the US data, it doesn't show that bubble which is going now. So a lot of economic people, they talking about that pump here. It's just a bubble. Yes, now if you go into the SP 500 in the weekly, based on my indicator, is it at the extreme overbought area? It's going to dump? Maybe, guys, but not in the Q4. Maybe till 2026, then we're going to see the market dumping or the end of December. But the dump is coming, guys, so you need to be careful even on that one. I think I explained everything. Now it's going to see the VIX, what it's saying today. Here we are, guys. Today I bring it for you different a little bit. The VIX here, still the same, 16.10. That's why there is nothing to be worried about. We haven't touched 20, guys, and we haven't touched 15, and we haven't touched 12, so there is nothing to be worried about. Just hold till the right time. That's the only things I can tell you. Now it's going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours. Look at it. We show you all those things. Also, we've been yelling here, but no one want to listen to us. We show you that one here. We told you guys it's getting broke here. No one want to listen. We show you here. That one here, that megaphone. No one want to listen. We show you here a bearish divergence like that. No one want to listen. Now look where we are. We are in that zone here. The Bitcoin from here going to pump. At this time, we don't got nothing, guys, telling us the market going to pump. The only things now, we got here the downtrend here. We need to follow it. If it's going to break it like that, that possible we can catch along from here. But overall, we don't got nothing here. The only thing, we got that very stronger zone here. You see me how I bring it, guys, from that zone here. Last time from here, we bounce above. Now we touch it again. The only things we have here. Now let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us. The only thing we got here in 4 hours, guys, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? Our indicator, guys, as you see it, our indicator, it touch extreme oversold area, like how we touch it here. Should we enter a long? Over here, we haven't entered a short, guys. We wait the correction, then from there we enter. Same thing now, that's what else we doing. And we got here the divergence downtrend here. Is it that one here? Even that one we show it to you. Now we are back here below the 200 moving average, guys. Plus we touch here that very stronger zone I just show you, 111,959. Let's see now what's going to happen if the Bitcoin going to pump from here, because that's what happened every time, guys. So I think I explained everything here about the Bitcoin. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. The Ethereum, same thing. We told it's going to down from here. We show you all those things, but you guys, you don't want to listen to us. I'm so sorry about that. We show you here that one. We show you everything here, guys. We show you even that triangle here. We told you it's getting broke here. Enter a short. Look at it, guys. The Ethereum is showing to us is going to dump more than that. The only thing now, the Ethereum it touch a very stronger zone here, as you see it, that one here. It touch it even here. Should we enter along at this time? We don't got nothing here telling us the Ethereum going to pump. The only thing is when it happen a big squeeze like that, always the market doing that V shape and go back there. I can show it to you thousands of times. Look at it here, guys. What happened here? The market go back to where it starts. So my view, maybe the Ethereum going to come back again to that zone here. And after that, it's going to remain like that. Even that one is possible because that candle here or that big sell off will happen here. There is no reason for it. So that's why me are thinking there is a correction above. Well, then we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. Now, let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Based on our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here extreme oversold area. The Ethereum touch here that very stronger zone at 4102. Should we enter a short? Me personally, I'm still waiting a price action, guys, because look at it here. When it touch it, it dump. Same thing here, same thing here. Now we touch it here. Let's see if it's going to happen here, a pump or no. And we got here the downtrend here. Is it that one here in the chart? So you need to focus about those things. We show it to you here if the market going to pump or no. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol today, it touched for us a very stronger zone here. Let me show it to you. As you see, guys, the Sol, it bouncing here from the 200 moving average. So maybe that Sol going to come back to touch that 230. That's possible, guys. But the Sol here, it's showing to us is going to dump. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Based on price actions we got here, we need to zoom out like that. That's all, guys, to see what you got here. You got here that uptrend like that, guys, and that uptrend here is getting broke as you see it here. That indicating that's all going to do like that, guys, and going to dump more than that as you see it here. So you need to be careful here. There is nothing telling you the Sol is going to pump. The only thing it touch for you that zone here, that one. Let's see if it's going to pump from here or no, and to give us another high higher than the previous one. Even that one is possible, because if you're looking at it, guys, solid still in an uptrend here as you see it here. So maybe from here going to give us another high. Even that one is possible. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Same thing, guys, our indicator as you see it, it touch here extreme oversold area. So technically telling us maybe the market going to pump. Should we enter along? I told you that downtrend here. Is it that one here waited to be broke for you to catch along? Now it's going to see the XRP or Ripple what doing today, guys. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP, same thing like the others. You remember we show you here that up channel we told you will like that. Maybe we're going to touch it and we pump. And I told you if it's break it into a short. Look at it, guys. Everything is in front of you. Now what is it? The view we got here, the downtrend like that. The downtrend here. It need to be broke like that for us to catch along that number one scenario. Because if you're looking with me, the XRP to bounce from a very stronger zone here. So maybe from here going to pump again, but we need extra price action here for us to enter along, like how it happened here, guys. That's what us we doing, and that's what us why every time we telling you if you want to catch that market, no matter where it goes, you can join our VIP Discord. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch here, extreme oversold area, same thing, it touch here a very stronger zone. Should we enter along? As I told you, we are waiting an extra price confirmation here for us to enter along. The only things I can tell you, guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. By the way, you watching me now, and know you started that video from the start till here, and you haven't smashed that like button. Why, my friend? Go now, smash that like button, please, guys. We want that video to reach at least 100 likes. Go now, smashing that like button. You done it? Thank you very much. As you see, guys, here that Bitcoin here in 30 minutes, Bitcoin here in 30 minutes, he tried to give us here like a double bottom here, as you see it here. Now, what is it, the view? The view, if the Bitcoin came like that and breaking that double bottom here, maybe we're going to catch along, guys, like that. That's possible. That first scenario. Second scenario, what is it, guys? Because we got here even the second scenario. Let me show you. Second scenario, guys, we got here like that. You see it here, like a triangle, guys, or like a symmetric triangle, or name it whatever you want. That one here, if that Bitcoin here fall down and break it lower here, we're going to see that Bitcoin dump it like that, guys. So as you see it in front of you, I give you for long here and I give you for short. You just need to follow the chart. When it's getting broke, try to catch a trade. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, we got here a small bullish divergence like that, guys, as you see it here. Should we enter a long base on that bullish divergence here? Let me show it to you because I know it haven't been clear here. As you see it, guys, look with me here. From that one here to that one here and that one here to that one here, we got a bullish divergence, guys. Should we enter along? I'm still waiting the market to come to break here for us to enter along. The only thing, those moving averages here, they're telling you are in a very sharp downtrend, guys. So I think I explained everything. Also, we're going to catch it no matter where it goes. I'll show you how to catch short if you are not inside our VIP Discord, and I always encourage you to join us if you are interested, of course. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash that like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.